Please do spare a moment to hit the red subscribe button and also the bell notification icon to get notifications about our future updates. In this video, I'm going to review the Redmi Note 5 Plus. This phone was there with me for about 2 months, and in this video, I'll be telling you about what I felt after using this phone for this period of time. This phone has a 5.99-inch wide display with a 18:9 screen to body ratio. The resolution of this phone is 1080 pixels with full HD plus screen. The phone has a great look in the back, and the curves at the back side of the phone makes it more comfortable to hold in the hand. And the fingerprint scanner at the back does the job pretty well. The phone comes with a 5 megapixel front cam and a 12 megapixel rear cam that does the job pretty good well. Now I will display some of the sample shots taken from the rear cam. It comes with 3GB or 4GB RAM variants with 32 and 64GB internal storage. It also has an expandable SD card slot. It's expandable up to 128GB. It has a Snapdragon 625 processor, which is pretty good at its price range and runs on Android 7.1.2 Nougat. The phone has a huge 4000 mAh battery which lasts about for 2 days in light usage and weighs about 180 grams. This device is available in 4 different colors. The price of this device starts from ₹10,000 for the 3GB RAM variant. I have been using this phone to make a few calls for the GPS navigation and watching a couple of YouTube videos. It works pretty well good. I've never used this phone so heavily. Until now, I've never felt any hang or lag while using this device. It works pretty good. The phone also has a full screen navigation gesture, which I think is one of the 2K18 features of the phones. The software updates of this phone is a bit slow, I believe, so it has never got the MIUI 10 update. Apart from all this, the phone does a fantastic work if you're looking at the price range of the phone. This is one of the best phones that we can get under this price. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment in the comment section below for me to improve my video. Thank you.